Atma Pranam. Today I'm bringing manifestation course. I'm going to be launching that very soon. We all see manifestation in different ways. There's two ways. One where you chase it and you achieve it, and one that you leave it and you still achieve it. So which side are you on? Let's understand where we are even coming from. Which door have we opened in the universe where we come from? There are multiple universes within the universe, and we are all coming from somewhere. So when we are sent on this bhuloka, we have committed some kind of sins in the other world, which brings us all together here. So let's try to understand why certain type of patterns keep repeating in our lives, and how does it try to teach you lesson, but yet sometimes we learn, sometimes we don't. And when we don't, the patterns keep on repeating. So how is that going to affect us in manifesting what we want? So wherever we come from, we have a purpose here. So we are all trying to achieve that. But sometimes society sums up into only one answer, but there is no one right answer for everybody. We all go back to the same source where we came from is the only ultimate reality, and that's the one answer that fits all. Other than that, we all have different journeys and different paths. So on the way on our path, in our journey, how does the manifestation work? There's, as I mentioned earlier, that we have committed some kind of mistakes and some kind of patterns that we keep repeating that we have to correct in this life. So some people who are functioning at an animalistic level where they're just not bothered and they just keep doing what they're supposed to do, but they're not internalizing the spiritual understanding of why life is such. The other set of crowd understands it, and they are connecting with their inner spirituality, where they're able to differentiate why certain things happen a certain way, what are the patterns, how can you correct it. In that particular path, you have to achieve something to be able to let go. But that whole entire cycle of achieving it, experiencing it, and then letting it go takes you to the next step in your life. That also raises your conscious level. And when you're raising your conscious level about something that you want to manifest, you are manifesting that, because it's not just the only chase of achieving it where we are running into the wall thinking, I'm working so hard, but it's not working for me. What is your mindset? What is it telling you? Are you functioning with the greed? What is that intention behind that achievement that you're trying to get out there? So that's how the manifestation works. The other set of crowd who goes into samadhi, where they achieve everything and leave everything. They're not bothered with what kind of emotions and what other activities that's happening around them. Like aghoras. They are not bothered. They are experiencing life as a whole, and they're experiencing everything. So they're embracing everything, but they're still not bothered. So that's the manifestation. If you'd like to learn more, you can go to my website, book a session for yourself, and thank you for watching.